Fortunately, what we've also been doing concurrently is we have been becoming more innovative over time to try to widen the investable universe. So I think there's lots that's talked about in terms of bubbles in private credit. Lots of people are really thinking about the sub-investment grade market when they're thinking about private credit, whereas insurance companies, particularly here in Europe, are largely investment grade credit investors. And so it's a slightly different sort of credit market that we participate in. But you're quite right. If it's such a small subset of the market and we're all chasing the same assets, then we will inevitably start to push prices up. Fortunately, what we've also been doing concurrently is we have been becoming more innovative over time to try to widen the investable universe. So the regulations have helped a little bit, but basically since the inception of what us insurance professionals look at in terms of the regulations, which is a regulation called Solvency II, we've all become much better at understanding what assets are suitable for matching our liabilities. And so we've been working with third parties and our in-house teams to create cash flows which are more certain. So there's a number of different ways that we can do that. So we can do that in-house. So if you take something like affordable housing, we set up and built our own affordable housing platform, and we do our own internal structuring to make sure that we can access some of those different assets that other insurers can't access. We also work with third parties, so there has been developing an entire industry around structuring so that we can become investors in assets that otherwise we would find difficult to invest in. And the sort of thing I'd love to see more of is parties such as Homes England or the National Wealth Fund working even more closely with us to try to create more fixed cash flows. And so in the insurance world, it's partly about creating more fixed cash flows, so cash flows which are somewhat volatile, but taking some of that out.